Connie Reed, President and Corporate Broker for Aviara Real Estate. And in 2007, when the shareholders of Aviara asked me to be their president and corporate broker, I was really honored. And the reason is because I knew these people. I've been in real estate for 33 years, and I knew the caliber and their commitment to real estate. So I was honored. I thought, gosh, I'm going to learn more from them than they're going to learn from me. I also love the idea of the business model, because the model gives an opportunity to earn income from a variety of income streams. And it seemed to me after 33 years that the only viable solution to real estate was having something to sell when my career was over, and this gave me the opportunity. And since I've been at Aviara, I can tell you absolutely these agents exceeded my expectations in their knowledge and commitment to real estate. And does the business plan work? You bet it does. I was skeptical. We went through a couple of hard years, but we have risen to the top and we have a strong financial base. I'm very, very happy and proud to say that. I've seen tremendous agent growth. Not everybody at Aviara, not all the shareholders have 33 years of experience. Some have 5 years of experience or 4 years of experience. But I have not only seen their business grow in terms of buyers and sellers and selling real estate, but also in terms of learning how to run their own business. And this is one of the strong, strong features of Aviara Real Estate. I've also seen shareholders and agents who've been afraid. They've thought, oh my gosh, if I come over to Aviara, will my clients stay with me? Will they leave? What will happen? And every single one of those people have come back to me and have said, my clients are thrilled for me. They're saying to me, why didn't you do this sooner? So that opportunity for growth is absolutely enormous. So I am thrilled to be at Aviara, and I would love to hear from you. If you'd like to give me a call, if you have any questions, I'm at 805-418-2681 or Connie at ConnieReed, REED.com. Thanks.